How to convert my Facebook profile into a page. First thing first, go ahead and open your Facebook app. Once you are inside your app, you need to open the menu. To do that, simply tap on the three dash icon which can be seen on the upper right corner. Once you are in your menu page, you simply need to tap on your name and you will be guided to your Facebook profile. After that, you will have to simply tap on this three dot icon next to the edit profile button. And then you will be guided to a profile setting page where you can see multiple setting options. From this option, you simply need to scroll down and tap on turn on professional mode. After that, you simply need to tap on turn on button. And that's it. You have successfully converted your Facebook profile into a page. I hope you found this video helpful. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.